Namaskar friends, we have completed the last lecture in a topic different set. Now we continue the discussion the chapter 1 set, complement of a set, the new topic. We give the first example and explain the complement of a set and definition. Okay, look your notebook. First give an example. Suppose universal set U equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we give the set A 1, 3, 5, right? 1, 3, 5 and 6. Here first we draw the Venn diagram. Look here student, first we draw the Venn diagram, the universal set, the set A. Here we write the inside the letter which elements 1, 3, 5, 6. Yeah, 1, 3, 5 and 6. Which of the elements remaining outside the set A? We write here 2 and 4. Okay. Now all the elements outside the set A, but universal set. But in universal set, look here, all the elements not containing in A, but contain in elements of universal set. Right? This one is called A dash. It is called complement of set. Complement of set, the symbol is A dash. We write here A dash, or other reference book we use the symbol A bar also. Both are right. Both are right. Now write the answer here. In a universal set, 1 cancel, because in set A is 1, 3, 5, 6. All the elements cancel in set A. 3 cancel, 5 cancel and 6 cancel. Which of the elements are remaining in universal set? Sir, only 2 and 4. Is that clear student? Okay, so complement of any set is the remaining elements of universal set, then after cancel the set itself. Is that clear? Okay, now we give the definition. 2 and 4 say we use the property method, set of X such that 2 and 4 contain in universal set, but 2 and 4 not contain in set itself. So X belongs to universal set, but X does not belongs to set A. Is that clear student? Okay. Now again we discuss the complement of complement. Complement of complement. Here the complement of A is our elements 2, 4. Now universal set 2, 4 will be cancelled. Just hold it. These elements lining cancel. Yeah. Now write the complement of complement. So complement of A dash is, complement of A is 2, 4. Now 2, 4 cancel. Which of the elements are remaining in set, universal set? 1, 3, 5, 6 are. 1, 3, 5, 6. This is the set A. So this one is the most IMP property. Any set, first we take the universal complement, and again the complement, always the set itself. Complement of any set is set itself. This is the important property of complement. Is that clear student? Okay. Now we discuss the another property. Look here. Here just we discuss here. Yes. Now look, take the intersection of these two sets. take the intersection of these two set A and A dash. A and A dash, which elements common? No one common, sir. So the most important property, A and A dash intersection, answer is always the null set. Always the null set. Clear, student? A intersection A dash, answer is always the null set answer. Remember here, student. Right? Okay. Now union of these two set. Union of these two set. A union A dash. Write all the elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the universal set. So A union A dash, answer always the universal set. Clear? This is the most IMP property of complement of a set. Is that clear, student? Okay. In last lecture, we have discussed the different set. Now we explain the complement is the relation to different set. Here we discuss the universal complements. A dash equal to universal set U 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Now all the elements cancel set A. All the elements containing set A 1, 3, 5, 6 cancel. So common element cancel. 1 cancel. Sorry. Then 3 cancel. Yeah, 3 cancel. 5 cancel. Common element cancel. Then which of the elements containing in set U? So answer is only N2, 4. Is that clear? So A dash is equal to, you can say here, U minus A. And we have already explained in the different set. Again, we give an example of different set. Look here, student. Suppose universal set U equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And set A equal to suppose 1, 3 and 5. And set B equal to 2, 4 and 6. Is that clear? Okay. Now one more elements here we write here. Suppose 1. Yeah, 1, 2, 4, 6. Okay. Now write the complement of A dash. Complement of A. Which elements are remaining? 2, 4. Right, 1, 3, 5 cancel. 1, 3, 5 cancel. Only 2, 4, 6. Now write B dash here. 1, 2, 4, 6 cancel. So which of the elements remaining? Only and only 1, 3. 1, 3? No, sir. 3, 5, sir. Yeah. Okay. So we write here 5, 3 or 3, 5. Anyway. Okay. Now our definition is what? A minus B. A minus B is what? Common element cancel. Common cancel. Common element 1 cancel. Now A minus B, first set is A. So you can write here answer 3, 5 because 3 and 5 remaining because your first set is A. Okay. Now second method. Second method. Which of the second method? Take the intersection of these two sets. Take the intersection of these two sets. A intersection B dash. A intersection B dash. Which of the common elements are 5, 3? Yeah, 3, 5. So A minus B and A intersection B dash are always the same. Always the same. Clear, student? Okay, another. Now we write the answer B minus A. B minus A. Common cancel. Yeah, 1 cancel. Now which of the elements remaining set B? Sir, 2, 4 and 6. Now again intersection of these two set. These two set. So B intersection A dash. B intersection A dash common element 2, 4, 6. Right, student? This is the very important thing here. B intersection A dash. Okay. So every time you can hear important thing, A minus B or A intersection B dash always the same. B minus A and B intersection A dash are always same. Is that clear, student? Okay, now we goes to the textbook. Look your definition here. First, yeah, complement of a set. Okay, the complement of set is respect to u, and symbol is here given. Yeah, we A dash definition. Set of x such that x belongs to u and x does not belongs to A. And definition, let U be the universal set and A be a subset of U. Then the complement of A is the set of all elements of U which are not elements of set A. And symbolic A dash. And here the definition. Otherwise, you can write this method also. A dash equal to U minus A. Is that clear? U minus A. Okay. Now we give an example number 20. Look this example. U equal to 1, 2, 3, 1 to 10. Okay. A equal to odd number. Okay. Find A dash. Even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. Because 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 cancel in universal set. Which of the elements are remaining? Sir, even number. Yeah. Very simple example. Now example number 21. Let U be the universal set of all the students of class 11 of a co-educational. Co-educational, that means boys and girls are mixed. Okay, in a school. And A be the set of all girls. Okay, first we set the girl's name. Okay, what's the complement of set A? Boys. A dash be the set of all boys in the class 11. Very simple. Look at this answer. Because set A is a number of girls and set complement of A is called boys in a class. Okay, this one is most important property we have already explained here. Complement of complement is equal to set itself, right? Okay, now we discuss the look this Venn diagram. Complement of set. The complement of A dash of a set can be represented Venn diagram. This is the Venn diagram of A dash. Okay, now look this property. A union A dash universal, A intersection A dash equal to null set. Okay, then third one is already explained, double complementation. And fourth one now we discuss. Fourth one, most important MCQ, most IMP MCQ. Look here, student. Here we explain. Suppose universal set U equal to, give an example, 1, 5, 6, and 7. And set A equal to null set. Set A equal to null set. Now what about say complement? Sir, complement equal to set A is a null set. So which of the element cancel of universal set? No one can. So answer is remaining elements of universal set. All the elements say U. Okay. Now our question is A equal to null set. Now take in both the side complement, both the side. A dash equal to complement of null dash, right? So this is your first result, this is your second result. Compare these two results, LHS are equal. Therefore, complement of null set, void set equal to universal set. Compare these two results. A dash equal to universal and A dash equal to 5 dash. LHS are equal. Okay, so null void complement of void set equal to universal set. Okay, this is the most important result. Now again complement of in both the side. Again complement, take the complement in both the side. So here the universal set. Now left side apply our rules. Complement of complement set itself. So here set itself null set. And here the as it is. Right? So this is the second result. Complement of universal set is a empty set. Okay, so this one is to most IMP MCQ student. Okay, clear student? Okay, now we start the exercise number 1.5. Some question discuss here. Suppose first question, U equal to 129, A is given, B is given, C is given. Okay, first we find A dash. A dash equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 cancel. So universal set 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are remaining, sir. A dash equal to 5 to 9. Okay, now fifth question. Fifth question, complement of complement. Here A dash equal to what? 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This one say 8s. Now again complement of complement. Now 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cancel in universal set. Which of the elements remaining, sir? 1, 2, 3, 4. It is called set A. Set A. So complement of complement equal to set A itself. This is our property. Now find second question. Second question. B equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. Now cancel universal set. 2, 4, 6, 8. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 is the remaining answer. B dash. Okay. Now sixth one. B minus C whole dash. So first we find B minus C. B minus C common element. B and C. B and C. Which of the elements common? Sir, 4 common. Yeah. Sir, 6 common. Yeah. So set B is 2 and 8. Only and only 2 and 8, because here the first set is B. 2, 8. Okay. Now we find B minus C whole dash. B minus C whole dash. Right? Okay, so 2 and 8 are cancelled. 2 and 8 are cancelled. So which of the elements remaining? 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 9. Is that clear, student? Very easy. Now otherwise you can confirm also here B minus C first. Right? Then after the complement. Very easy. Clear, student? Okay. Now we discuss the second question. Here in third and fourth are remaining in discuss in next lecture, because it is called De Morgan's law. We discuss in next lecture. But here in this lecture we discuss only the complement topic. Universal set A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. First A equal to A, B, C. Cancel. So remaining elements D, E, F, G, H. Now set second question. D, E, F, G cancel. So A, B, C and H. Now C equal to A, C, E, G. Complement is B. C, E is here. So D, E not here. F and H. Right. Now set D, F, G, H, A. So D dash is equal to A cancel. Okay, B, C, D, E. Yeah, F, G, H is here. So complement is B, C, D, E. Is the clear, student? Easy, very easy. Yeah. Now we discuss the question number 3. Taking the set of natural number as the universal set, write down the complement of the following set. Here universal set is equal to natural number. We write here 1, 2, 3, 4 dash dash dash. First set A. Question number 1. First one, X is an even natural number. Even natural number. So its complement is odd natural number, sir. Is that clear? Okay. Now second question is odd natural number. Okay. Second is the answer of first and first is the answer of second. Alternate question. Very good. Even complement of even natural number, answer is odd natural number. Complement odd natural number, answer is the even natural number. Okay. Now third question. X is a positive multiple of 3. Positive multiple of 3. 3, 6, 9, dash, dash, dash. Now complement. Cancel this all this element in universal set. 1, 2, 3 cancel. So 4, 5, 6 cancel. 7, 8, 9 cancel. Dash, dash, dash. Otherwise second method also possible. Which method? Which method? Sir, natural number. First we write natural number minus all the elements containing x, such that x equal to 3n, where n belongs to natural number. All the multiple of 3 cancel. All the multiples of 3 cancel in a natural number. Right? Very good. Okay, now fourth question. X is a prime number, sir. Prime number. Prime number set A. 2, 3, 5, 7 dash dash dash. Okay. Now answer A dash equal to, now prime number cancel. 1, 2, 3 cancel. 4, 5 cancel. 6, 7 cancel. 8, 9 dash dash dash. Right? Okay. Now fifth one. X is a natural number divisible by 3 also and 5 also. all the number are divisible by 3 and 5. Now first we take the LCM of 3 and 5. LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. Right? Now A equal to here, answer is 15, 30, 45 dash dash dash. Because 3 divisible by 3 and 5. So any number divisible by 3 and 5 always divisible by 15. Right? So now write complement. 1 to 14, 15 cancel, continue, 16 to 29, dash dash dash. Clear, student? Okay, now sixth one. X is a perfect square number. Perfect square, that means square root is possible. We write here. A equal to which number? 1, 4, 9, dash dash dash. So its complement is 2, 3, 4 cancel, 5, 6, dash dash dash. Yeah, very easy. Now is a perfect cube. That means cube root is possible. 1, 8, 27, dash dash dash. So its complement 2 to 7, 9 to 26, dash dash dash. Clear, student? Very easy, very easy. Okay, now look here, question number 8. X such that x plus 5 equal to 8. So x equal to 5, take right side, so x equal to 3. Okay, so set A equal to, answer is 3. So its universal set is natural number. So we write here complement. Its complement is, just hold it. We calculate here. First we have the space here. Look this here. Very easy question. Think about this question. Think about this question, student. Its complement E dash, natural number, all the natural number except 3. All the natural number. But we cannot hear 3. So except 3. Right. Now ninth question. Now we discuss the question number 9. Okay. Look at this question. X such that 2x plus 5 equal to 9, sir. 2x plus 5 equal to 9. Now 9 minus 4, 5 equal to 4. Now 2 divide. So x equal to 2. So our question A equal to only 2. Now complement of A equal to same answer, natural number except 2. All the natural number but except 2. 2 is not contained here. Now 10th question. X such that x is the greater than or equal to 7. So set A equal to 7, 8, 9, dash dash dash. So its complement is 1 to 6. All the natural number minus 7, 8, 9, 10, dash dash dash. So all the remaining natural number 1 to 6. Clear, student? Okay, now we discuss the 11th question. We write in notebook. 2x plus 1 greater than or equal to 10. 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1 greater than 10. First we simplify. So 2x is greater than 9. Now 2 divisible, x is greater than 9 by 2. So here our set A equal to x is greater than 4.5. Here we draw the number line, student. 4.5 is here. 4.5. Now greater than natural number 4.5 here. 5, 6, 7, 8. All the natural number greater than 4.5. Right? So our set A equal to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, dash dash dash. So its complement is, cancel all the elements. So remaining elements is 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear, student? Okay. So here the question 3 completed. Yes. Okay. Now we check here. This one is property. Question number 7. A union A dash, universal set. And complement of null set is say universal. Universal say intersection A. Answer is A. Right. A intersection A dash, always the null set. Okay. Complement of universal set is null set. Null set intersection A. Answer is always the null set. Okay, thank you very much. Here we complete the lecture, and next lecture we continue the discussion about the De Morgan's law. Okay, thank you very much, student.